Hi, this is Matt with Learn About Law. Have you heard about the big changes coming to Wisconsin's contract law? Today I'll talk about Wisconsin contract law changes. Imagine you're buying a house, or maybe you're a contractor who's about to start a new project. The way you do business is about to get a makeover, thanks to some new rules rolling out soon. First off, the big news is all about making contracts easier to understand and fair for everyone involved. This means if you're in real estate or construction, you're going to see some changes in how contracts are done. The state wants to make sure that when you sign on the dotted line, you know exactly what you're getting into. They're also putting a cap on how long someone can wait to take legal action over brokerage services. Now, it's just 2 years. Before I continue, if you've got a question, post it in the comments below and we'll do our best to answer. And if you appreciate helpful legal videos like these, give us a like. Check out the description for more information on how to contact us. Remember, when you tried to assemble that easy-to-build bookshelf and ended up with something that looked more like modern art? Well, the state's trying to avoid situations like that by making sure contracts are clear and straightforward. They're changing up forms for listing contracts, buyer agency agreements, and even how tenant representation is handled. While they're still working out all the details, the goal is to make everything transparent and fair. And speaking of being upfront, there's a big push to make sure consumers, like you and me, understand what we're paying for. Ever wonder about all those fees and commissions when you're buying a house or hiring a contractor? The new law says that those have to be spelled out clearly so there are no surprises. Now let's talk about something a bit scary: wire fraud. It's a real problem these days with scammers trying to intercept your money during transactions. The good folks in Wisconsin are adding warnings to contracts reminding you to double-check those wire instructions. It's like when your mom reminds you to wear a helmet when you're biking. It's for your own good. But what if something goes wrong? The new changes are big on solving disputes without dragging everyone to court. Think mediation or arbitration, ways to settle disagreements without the hassle and expense of a lawsuit. It's like opting for a peaceful chat over a family dinner instead of a full-blown Thanksgiving argument. For the professionals out there, Wisconsin's throwing you a bone. There's now a 2-year limit on how long someone can wait to sue you after a deal closes. It's a bit like knowing you only have to keep your receipts for so long before you can finally clean out the junk drawer. Let's not forget Wisconsin plays by its own rules when it comes to contracts. They're cool with oral agreements, but let's be real, having things in writing is always better. It's all about making sure everyone's on the same page, literally and figuratively. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out the article linked below. Be sure to leave any questions you have in the comments section and subscribe for more legal news daily.